Hi, Timothy Unkert here, and in this video I'm going to demonstrate the use of the string compare method in C. So I've included the two header files I'll need to use this. I need to have that string.h header file to use this function. And what I'm going to do is create a character array called cool underscore character, and I'm going to initialize that as Dean, who is my favorite character in Supernatural. We're also going to create another character array called user underscore character, which can have up to 19 characters, not including the null character that gets added on at the end. Okay, so I'm going to do a printf, and I'm going to say, who is the coolest character on Supernatural TV show? It's my favorite TV show, and I'll leave a space and then end that. And then I'll do a scanf, and I'm going to scan in the character array. So I use the %s, and I'm going to scan in the user character. Okay. And now I want to compare them. So I'm going to say if strcmp, that's a string compare, cool character, and then user character. Now it's going to return 0 if they are the same. So if that is equal to 0, I'm going to then do a printf, you are correct. With an exclamation point, we'll do a /n for a new line, and then end that. And I'll say else, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a printf, no, with some exclamation points, and say Dean is the coolest character with an exclamation point. And we'll do a /n for formatting and end that line. At the end of my main function, I'll simply return 0. Okay. And now I'm going to save this. Let's open up a terminal. Let's compile it. So we're going to compile the file into something without the .c, and then we'll just run it. So who is the coolest character on Supernatural? Let's say I made a mistake and I typed Sam. Let's say, no, Dean is the coolest character. If I type, let's say Castiel, no, Dean is the coolest character. We're getting closer. And then if I type Dean, you are correct. So I hope you found that video on the string compare method or function interesting. If you did, please like and subscribe if you haven't done so already. I also want to thank you for watching the video, and I hope to see you in the next one. Have a great day. Bye.